Hey everybody, Isaiah here and back with another recipe video, and this week we're doing one of my favorite desserts of all time, chocolate chip cookies. Cheesecake is number one, but chocolate chip cookies is definitely right underneath it. And really quick and easy, and in my opinion this is the best vegan chocolate chip cookies ever. Let's get to it.
Alright, first thing you want to do is you want to take 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Then you're going to mix it together, and then you're going to set it to the side while you prepare the rest of the ingredients, which are 3/4 of a cup of vegan butter, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. And you're going to use a stand mixer, as I'm doing here, and mix it until it's fully combined and the mixture is fluffy. Then next you're going to add 8 tablespoons of aquafaba, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then you're going to mix this until the mixture is combined. Then next you're going to add the flour mixture from before into the butter and sugar mixture, and then you're going to mix this until it's combined as well. Then once the mixture is fully combined, then you're going to add 1.5 cups of vegan chocolate chips to the mixture. Then you're just going to give that a quick mix for about a couple of seconds. And then once the chocolate chips are fully incorporated, you're going to remove it, and then you're going to get ready to bake it. You can take a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Then you just take a couple of tablespoons of the dough and flatten it a little bit so it can spread a lot easier. And then you bake it for 10 to 15 minutes in a 350-degree oven, or until the cookies are golden brown, just as they are right here. And you have vegan chocolate chip cookies.
And that is how you make the best ever vegan chocolate chip cookies. And if you make this recipe, leave a comment down below in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel as well. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.